Google has been playing catch-up in the AI race for 2 years. With Gemini Advanced, they claim they've finally caught up. I've been using it daily for a month. Let me tell you if it's true. Gemini Advanced costs $20 a month as part of Google One AI Premium. For that price, you also get 2 terabytes of Google Drive storage and Gemini integration across Gmail, Docs, and Sheets. Gemini Advanced gives you access to Google's most powerful model, plus deep integration with your Google Workspace. It reads your emails, understands your documents, connects to your calendar. No other AI has this level of access to your existing digital life. Writing quality. Gemini has improved dramatically. It used to produce corporate-sounding fluff. Now it's genuinely good at blog posts, emails, and creative writing. It's not Claude level for nuance, but it's competitive with ChatGPT. The Google Docs integration is the killer feature. Highlight text, click Gemini, and it rewrites in place. Research is where Gemini shines. It's connected to Google Search in real time. Ask it about anything that happened today, and it knows. Claude and ChatGPT have knowledge cutoffs. Gemini has the entire internet. For journalists, researchers, and analysts, this is a game changer. Coding. This is Gemini's weakest area compared to Claude and ChatGPT. It handles simple scripts and explanations well, but for complex debugging or multi-file refactoring, Claude is still significantly better. If coding is your primary use case, Gemini Advanced isn't the right choice. The Google Workspace integration is the real selling point. Gemini in Gmail drafts replies based on your email history. Gemini in Sheets writes formulas and analyzes data. Gemini in Slides creates presentations from your docs. If you live in Google's ecosystem, this integration alone might justify the price. Versus the competition. Gemini Advanced at $20 versus ChatGPT Plus at $20 versus Claude Pro at $20. Gemini wins on ecosystem integration and real-time knowledge. ChatGPT wins on versatility and custom GPTs. Claude wins on writing quality and coding. Pick your priority. Gemini Advanced is worth it if you're a Google Workspace power user. For everyone else, try the free tier first. Link in the description. Subscribe for honest AI reviews every week.